Dan, where are we going today?
We're in Myrtle Beach trying to buy another truck for Asheville. I think we should get lunch at, isn't there like the big crab? There's like a big crab down here, like the all-you-can-eat seafood. I think we should get the all-you-can-eat
Get back to the trucks.
seafood.
What kind of truck are we looking for?
Well, Ethan said he has to have a big truck to pull big trailers with big machines on them.
How long have you been looking for said truck? How much time and research have you put into this?
I don't stop looking. You know, I don't stop looking to things that make us more efficient. And Hollywood Wax Museum? Oh my gosh. You gotta stop that. Is that King Kong?
Okay, over now. Let's go check these out.
I do like that Ram.
I do too.
That's for like $1 million. How about a minivan? There's a couple minivans right there. I don't mind a minivan. I'm sure Asheville wouldn't mind a minivan. All right. Oh, here it is. So probably a burrito under the seat in this one. Isn't that nice right here? It's 750. How's it going? Good. Good.
Amazing.
Can we take this in for a ride? It's a great commercial install truck. They can put plenty of power in the bed, haul an excavator or a machine pretty quick.
This is where they go to get beat up.
That's the difference in price.
What are you gonna do?
You're gonna have to leave. You're gonna have to leave this room so I can get this guy a little bloody. And then I'll do the deal.
Are you gonna tell them only 8 oil changes?
No, I just need this. I need this number.
Okay, how are you feeling after those negotiations?
Wonderful.
Oh, we're letting him sweat it out right now. Okay, Dan, what's happening today?
We are taking delivery of the new truck. They did not like our offer, so I walked away. And 2 days later, they said, okay, we'll take your offer. And I said, I'll do it as long as you deliver it up here. So they're bringing it right now. So I think we won.